Welcome to this quick guide on how to make your Pinterest profile public using your mobile device. If you've ever wanted to share your pins and boards with the world, or maybe you're looking to grow your audience as a creator or business, making your profile public is the first step. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through each stage so you can get your Pinterest presence out there in just a few taps. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and sign in using your usual method. Once you're inside, you'll see a row of icons at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the profile icon, which is usually found at the far right. This will take you straight to your personal profile, where all your saved pins and boards are displayed. Now, look to the top of your profile page. You'll notice your profile picture, and possibly your name or username just beneath it. Tap on your profile picture at the top. This action opens up your account menu, giving you access to all sorts of settings and customization options. Here, you can edit your profile, manage your boards, and adjust your privacy settings. Scroll down or look for an option labeled Profile Visibility. This is where Pinterest lets you control who can see your profile and boards. When you tap on Profile Visibility, you'll see a couple of important switches. The main one you're interested in is Private Profile. If this is turned on, only people you approve can see your profile and your content. To make your profile public, simply toggle this switch off. Once you've turned off the private profile setting, your profile will be visible to everyone, not just your followers or approved users. This means your pins and boards can be discovered by new people, shared more widely, and even indexed by search engines if you want. You might also notice a search privacy option here. If you want your profile to show up in Google and other search results, make sure this is turned off as well. That's all there is to it. Making your Pinterest profile public on mobile is quick and straightforward. Now your creative ideas, inspiration, or business content can reach a much larger audience. If you ever want to switch back to a private profile, just follow these steps and toggle the private profile setting back on. Thanks for tuning in, and happy pinning!